Question number 21. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Okay. A. Yes. All numerators are same. Denominators are unequal. Okay. So we will write it. Yes. 37, 37, 37, 37, 37. Okay. yes डिसेंडिंग यहाँ पर आपको देखना है घटते हुए में लिखना है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे, यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखिए। सबसे बड़ा वो होता है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होता है। डिनोमिनेटर छोटा किसका है, ये। यस 34 इज लेस देन अदर 34 एंड देन 42 50 and 88 and last 100. Yes, you can draw this symbol. It is greater than, it is less than. 37 by 42 is greater than 37 by 50. Okay, lowest fraction is this and greatest fraction is this. Yes, now B, we will take B. Yes, divided by 6, divided by 6, divided by 6, divided by 6, 4 times, 5 times, 6. All denominators are same. Okay, अब डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, देखना होगा सबसे बड़ा वाला कौन सा है। सबसे बड़ा वाला, यस, ग्रेटेस्ट न्यूमरेटर इज 5. ओके, देन 4, देन 3, देन 2 एंड लास्ट। यस, लोएस्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 1/6 एंड ग्रेटेस्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 5/6. Okay, C, all numerators are same. 3 4. Yes, 8 8 8 8 divided by similarly A. Okay, yes, 5, then 7 and 9 and in last 30. आप चाहे कॉमन लगा दो। यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. ओके, 6, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग प्लस डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम. 6 and 3 9, 9/8. This is improper fraction. Answer will be 8 1/8. Next, denominators are same. 8 2 10. Divide now. 9 8/9 plus 2/9. Here denominators are same. Answer will be 10/9. Okay, 9 1 9. 1 and denominators. Yes, next question, denominators are same. 7 and 2 9/10. Okay, yes, that's it. Yes, it will be, yes, denominators are same. 2 and 1 3. 5 and 3 8 and divided by 12. 4 2 and 4 3 4 2 8 and 4 3 12. Answer will be 3 and 2/3. Okay, yes, it will be 6 and 2/5. 6 and 2 by 5. Yes, there are many ways. 2 by 5 minus 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 15 16 17. 2 by 5. It will be 6 minus 3 3. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Yes, that's it. You can do it in this way. 6 5 ja 30 and 2. It will be 32 by 5 minus 17 by 5. Then answer will be 7 5 12. Yes, 15 by 5. Exact answer will be 3. This is other way. Okay, similarly you can do it. Yes, all denominators are same, so 2 plus 3 5 and denominators 4. all denominators are same. 8 3 11 12. Okay, 5 and answer will be 5 and 4 3 12. 4 3 12. 5 and 3. Answer is 8. Okay, yes, you can do it in another way. It will be 4 2 8 and 9. 9 by 4. 4 दूनी 8 1 9 बटे 4 प्लस 4 3 12 13 14 15 बटे 4 plus 8 by 4. And after calculating we will know what 17 5 32. Yes, 32 by 4. It will be 8. It is another way. Okay, yes. Now we will take next question. 3 by 6 and yes 2 and 2. It will be 3 2 यहाँ 2 1 जा 2. Okay, 2 1 जा 2. First we will make in like fraction. This is unlike. Now 2 by yes 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Answer will be 3 and 2 5 by 6. Okay, and now yes, there are many ways. You can do it by using cross multiplication. Okay, and by making in like fraction. And third way, you will calculate the LCM. Okay, so we will apply cross multiplication here. 9 5 जा यहाँ पर yes this 9 5 जा 45 and 6 2 जा 18. 6 2 जा 12 plus 6 9 जा 54. Okay, and it will be 57 by 54. Okay, and 54 1 जा 54 4 3 7 3 by 54. Okay, yes, it will be. First we will do this. First we will take this pair and solve it, making in like fraction. 2 and 2. 2 1 जा 2 plus 3. 2 2 जा 4. Yes, both denominator are same. Plus 1 by 3. Yes, answer will be 2 and 3 will be 5 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Next, now we will apply cross multiplication. 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, and 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 4 1 is 4. Yes, we will get 19 by 12. Okay, yes, you can write it 1 and 7 by 12. 12 कम 12, 12 7 19 12. Okay, now we will do next question. हाँ, अब नेक्स्ट लेते हैं मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. यस, 10 by 21 माइनस 2 3 is 6 by 21. आप बोलेंगे कि हमेशा ऐसे लिखते थे. यस, 21. 10 minus 6, 4 by 21. This is your answer, because this is even number and this is odd number. Yes, you can write it 16 by 16 minus 7 by 16. Answer will be Nausad 9 by 16. This is your answer, and it will be cross multiplication. 8 7 is 56, and 15 3 is 45, and 7 3 is 3 7 is 21, and answer will be 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 4 11 by 21. Okay, yes, it will be there are many ways. Yes, you can 4 2 is 8, 8 3 11, 11 by 4 दूनी 8 3 11 बटे 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 11. ठीक है. Yes, now we will apply cross multiplication. 11 6 is 66, and 5 4 is 5 चौका 20, and 6 4 is 24. Okay, 6 and 2 4, 46 by 24. Yes, how many times goes? 1 time. 1 44, 6 minus 4 2, and 2 by 24. 2 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Okay, 1 and 11 by 12. Okay, सही है ना? 24. Yes, next question. 4 2 ja 8. Similarly, 4 2 ja 8, 3 11, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 8 multiplied by 2. Yes, 22 plus 7 by 8, 7 2 9 by 8. Okay, and plus, this is plus. Yes, this is correct, this is plus. Okay, 8 3 ja 24, 24 and 5 by 8. Yes, that's it. This is your answer.